In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon code on Teachable. Whether you're running a quick promotion or rewarding loyal students, creating a coupon in Teachable is straightforward. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what each option means and how to set it up confidently. Start by heading to your Teachable admin area. From there, go to Site, then select Coupons. This is where all your discounts live and where you'll create new ones. Click Add New Coupon to begin. You'll first choose the coupon type, which controls where the discount applies. All Products is a site-wide coupon that works across everything you sell. This is great for big promotions or seasonal sales. Product Type lets you target a category, like all courses, so it excludes things like coaching or bundles if you don't want them included. Pricing Plan Specific is the most precise choice. It applies to a single course tier or plan. Use this when you want the discount to apply only to, for example, the one-time purchase of a specific course and not its subscription plan. Next, fill in the coupon details. Create your coupon code using only letters and numbers, no symbols. Keep it simple and memorable, like Save 20 or New Student. Avoid private or sensitive information in your code, and consider using uppercase for clarity. Choose the discount type. A percentage discount, like 20% off, scales with the price and is perfect for broad promotions. A specific amount, like $10 off, is useful when you want predictable savings across different price points or when you're promoting a low-cost item and don't want to over-discount. You can set an expiration date if you want the offer to end automatically. This is helpful for limited-time campaigns and creates urgency. If you prefer evergreen offers, leave it blank. You can also set the number of uses. This limits how many times the coupon can be redeemed and is a smart way to control your budget for a promotion. If you don't need a cap, you can skip it. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your coupon is now created and ready to use wherever it applies based on the type you selected. That's all it takes to create a coupon code on Teachable. Choosing the right scope, naming your code clearly, and deciding between a percentage or fixed discount will help you run promotions that fit your goals. When you're done, you'll have a clean, reliable coupon that works exactly where and how you want it to.